Welcome back to Red Button Journal.
Waynie, you talk up in our video today too?
Oh yeah, Waynie's in the video. Look. See, look. Me and Waynie in the video right there. See us?
Almost, you know. Yeah, usually. I just everything all the time, you know. One time I was stop at house, I was right somewhere. I go down.
Basic school, I used to teach at this time. At this school.
Yeah, we are go down right down.
Go down here.
Yeah, I believe, yeah.
No, I tell you, basic school, I mean that teach at this.
I go for the road upside down town.
Ah, okay.
Look all for a nice school.
Yeah, this school just did it so, you know. No window
And
every
then they
night.
talk about this and that. I don't know what they know. Something.
Me, isn't it?
Go up the top there. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, they down the road. So, you know, Miss Serious party there.
Yeah.
I'm an old start there.
Oh, look at the view from up here. You can see the ocean. You can see the John Crow.
Yeah, that me I say look up. You come like when we just come to that tree much.
Yeah.
You never stay so. Oh man, look here now.
Wow, look at that! Look at that! You can see, and you can see the ocean over on the other side too, Waynie. You can't right from right here. But
yeah, you can.
Come a little bit back.
I see the Blue Mountain Peak and them ball boat.
The dead east.
Yeah. You can see both sides. You can see the south side and the north side.
Yeah, man.
A top house, this okay? A top house.
Over the side, yes, sir?
That one, yes, yeah.
Yeah, yes, it's up on top house side. You know?
Wow, what a view, huh?
Yeah, man.
What a view!
Right now, Maran Point, you can see Maran Point, the last point, the last part here, so. Right now, if you know, say your boat up on sea, and 204 now you can talk to somebody out and see and look on the boat out there.
Wow.
You see it there? Very pretty and nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Can you just say insist some boat and a showing girlfriend say see boat and something there. And if your voice coming like some people, you know, you live up so I call it, what you can call them out and see. So strong voice. You know, pretty man. You never know what's up at top house, the views are nice.
You know, they really do have beautiful views up here.
Have a nice view.
Really
everywhere, every corner.
Yeah. See, if you look over here, you look down through there, you can see the ocean.
Yeah, just the bush then.
Yeah.
Well, right there. Now look, sweetie. See? Yeah.
And if you make your house like 2-story.
Oh, me I tell you, man. Nice. Yeah, man. Look over the ocean, man. Look. Oh, man.
My goodness.
Yeah, so nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, you understand how to go on Alambia, eh? Pretty, man.
Wow.
I wonder. They have a place up here for sale. Because you know.
Yeah.
They
nice.
We friend them Australia. They want to buy a place here.
Mm-hmm.
And place up. They must say they like all little cheesy garden.
Go this way.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a good so narrow.
Yeah, man. Wide enough, man.
You see? That's why because the road them look so
yeah, that's why I'm afraid I drive it too much. Mad me. That's why I'm still going to drive in much.
Yeah.
Maybe if me I drive long time so, but
yeah. And if me did learn to drive at Jamaica.
Yeah, but you didn't. You learned it foreign, and so.
You come like say the corner them also.
Everything.
When you're in America, especially when we did in a car road, they do the road and the straight so.
Yeah.
And the road them out and cut.
And everybody follows the road code and everything.
And they're not cut like out these road, the road them in harder.
Yeah. I ride bike come from Golden Grove and the bush touch me on it.
You know?
Corner,
yeah. You see?
It's still like corner, brother. I not go there something. Don't do it, brother. All when the front end of good and man drive. And
I drive so fast.
Virgin go give me the vehicle one time for drive. And the front end of good and me have to steer and something up and down and run over this one. And I see it. Could I drive so?
Yeah. We're going to Little Chiswick or we're going back? Okay,
yeah.
we'll go to right. And we'll go to Little Chiswick next time.
That's the thing fix.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely do this again, Waynie.
Yeah, man.
You know. Yeah.
Next time, you know. Nice.
Next
nice.
time I'm gonna have to have his chair a little bit further
Nice,
back,
yeah.
so he's in the camera better. But
Yeah, man, nice
it's
one.
okay. But I think you're in the camera good. See here, look. Oh yeah, that's
man,
perfect.
all right, man.
Yeah, you can see. Just so if you can see your pink shirt
see, yeah.
or your mauve or whatever you call that, purple. Yeah.
Very nice.
It was nice. You know, like
Well, we can go down Water Lane one time too. You know, go down Water Lane, go to Duncan's Field.
What about Rocky Point Seaside?
Yeah,
We want to go to Rocky Point one time too. You know,
Yeah,
like
man.
Waynie. I knew Waynie wanted to do that on
Yeah,
a Sunday or
that-
whatever, or
Yeah.
plan ahead and let people know he's going to be there. So
Yeah, man, it can run 7 times ready for go down there, man.
yeah.
Just let me know, I'm just line up.
Mm-hmm.
Go down there. That one go on a day when the fish are run still.
Mm-hmm. True.
Yeah.
They're running pretty good right now,
Yeah,
aren't
man,
they?
because I have my brother them down there, you know. Down there, so I want my friend them there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's called Bandulo and them. So we get a lemon yesterday, a lemon full of juice. You know, he said place I want to go over, so we have a video with the rat in the...
Yeah, man.
Aye, over there the man go quietly go and cut some stickers and see some whole heap of lemon and he can give me one. I say lemon full of juice.
You know, we probably needed to do a couple of introductions because I'm going to have more than one video here.
Yeah.
We'll have to do another. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers.
Biggie that you know, you can't see the well, you know. One Biggie. Dana. Yes, Dana. Look, you go see pan road there, sir. Where the pan road there you can't see?
You can't see?
Oh, that?
You don't know picnic.
No, my boy, the father man, the one where that work on the yard, the stammer one. I'm father, you know.
Oi.
Stammer. We and the man, I pass a yellow. Yeah. Let's get Waynie, one in a wheelchair, yeah.
Yeah, dear dark, you know.
Yeah, I know, man. You must have see a day and was the day before or so.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man, but I give you a shout out. So let's go and come out the road.
Yeah.
Alright.
Blessings.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yes, for your chicken, yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Pick up
Alright.
yourself.
Yeah, man.
Have a good day. Blessings.
Very nice. Can't see it. And none of Jepo about? Jepo?
No, it's not a push it, you know.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. Oscar. Alright, yeah, man, I'm going to answer this. Lower, man.
Yeah, my son.
Big up yourself in the lower, man.
Look at you.
I got you, yeah, man. Ah, yeah, man.
But, you know, you know somebody have cassava, cassava.
No, but we couldn't get some for you, no?
You couldn't get some for me?
Yeah, man. We had a great time to make dumpling or something.
Can't make dumpling or
You want to boy?
bammy. Me want to work
Alright, yeah, man, I'll get
I
some for
want
you.
to work on a bammy.
Tell you the truth in a Madge. We get some what and some all the other boy and me say me no carry two come here, you know. Believe you me now, then they that chair till them spoil. And me say whenever Madge want him have to something, my tree the kind of flash it, me I'll get some for you,
Two
man.
must be
Smart
sick.
driver, man.
Yeah, man,
Hey,
big up,
boss.
man.
I love that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
It looks like makes it like a Land Rover.
Yes, but can see me good.
Yeah.
If I'm doing something wrong,
Now.
no, I was mad.
Not that thing,
Yes, yeah, man, I say me can't do the place, man. I love the place too much. I have to try to fix it.
Oh, of course. You should. Yeah. This
This
is you right here, you know?
Yeah.
This is you.
Yeah, man, that me have to try, man. Because most time my customer gone and
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I have to try to do what I can do right here.
Yeah, do it. You
If
can
you're,
do it.
if you're a mind shop, somebody take you over too.
Alright, you understand? You know me I say? You know me I say me smart?
Take you over.
Just like that.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
man.
Yeah.
When I try to then me can clean up, so I move along and something. One hold something come. Put them something in there. The whole vehicle, I take the whole
Yeah,
line.
when a dumper truck come and take a motor
Yeah.
and then come to you know,
Yeah.
clean up.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to do Tom. That's what I can go on with. So,
I'm the Bulgarian.
I'm here right now.
Right now.
Yeah, so we link up.
Yeah.
We're linking up.
Yes,
All
black
right,
up.
brother.
Yes,
Alright,
dog. That's why.
Blessings.
Yes, dog. Yes, man.
Yeah, I'm a good friend that, you know.
We just go right over here, like where we started from.
Anyway, yes, about, you know, through me out, yeah.
Yeah.
Mine, hold on. You know what I say? Dalvey. Oh, yes, Dalvey. I forgot to say
Definitely investigate.
Oh, let's do our sign off.
Yeah.
Okay, viewers and subscribers, we're
Yeah,
gonna end it right here.
Yeah, man.
So be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself.
You have a respect, man.
Respect,
Yeah, man,
bless
guide
up,
them.
all the stuff. And what does Madge say? Amen. Yes, stay safe and comfy, everybody. Bless up yourself.